Hello friend, this is my 24th video of 80-day long challenge of English speaking and vocabulary. Today I will use two new words which are pursue and fraternity, and third new word is agonizing. Today I will use three words. So my first word is pursue. Pursue means follow, पीछा करना. The word I choose is taken from the news clip. In this news, as Mr. Someone, a man, Mr. Pradhan, who is working in Governor House, Governor Secretariat, his he alleges the governor son. The governor is Mr. Raghuvar Das, who is ex CM of Jharkhand state. He alleges, Mr. Pradhan alleges that the governor's son and his 5 friends were slapped, beat Mr. Pradhan because he did not send luxury car in the Puri railway station for receiving. Actually, Mr. Pradhan is busy for the visit of President Srimati Draupadi Murmu. So Mr. Pradhan and his wife complained this to governor. So she said, if no action is taken against the culprits, we will pursue our case. Our case again. सो मीन्स इफ़ कल्प्रिट के ख़िलाफ़ अगर कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा तो फिर हम लोग अपने केस का परस्यू करेंगे, मीन्स उसको फॉलो करेंगे. परस्यू मीन्स पीछा करना, फॉलो करना. सो हेयर आई हैड यूज्ड द वर्ड परस्यू. माई सेकेंड वर्ड इज फ्रेटर्निटी, मीन्स भाईचारा. आई एम यूजिंग अ सेंटेंस ऑफ वर्ड फ्रेटर्निटी इज इंडियंस बिलीव इन लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी एंड फ्रेटर्निटी. भारतीय जो है लिबर्टी, आज़ादी, इक्वलिटी, बराबरी और फ्रेटर्निटी, भाईचारा पर विश्वास करते हैं. द सेकेंड सेंटेंस अबाउट रिगार्डिंग दिस वर्ड इज as I had explained the paragraph regarding the Mr. Pradhan, who it is the news of Odisha, news from Odisha. So the second sentence is, the incident is unfortunate and agonizing for the employee fraternity, said their association. In the Odisha Governor House, the association told the incident is unfortunate and agonizing for the employee fraternity. Means agonizing means बहुत ही चिंतित रहना. मीन्स एम्प्लॉय के भाईचारे के लिए ये बहुत ही चिंता की बात है कि द सन ऑफ द गवर्नर had beaten to a government employee. It is very unfortunate and it is agonizing the employee fraternity. So today I had used 3 words: pursue, fraternity and agonizing. Yesterday I had used the word vindicate, साबित करना, in the behalf of, के बदले में, and kinship, रिश्तेदारी. The sentence I had used about the word vindicate was, senior JDU leader and Bihar Water Resource Minister Vijay Kumar Chaudhary has said the latest Niti Aayog report has vindicated our long demand for a special status or a special package for the Bihar state. ये नीति आयोग के इन द नीति आयोग रिपोर्ट बिहार came at the last position. So he, as a Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, always demanding for a special package to the Bihar state. So दिस रिपोर्ट also vindicate this demand, मीन्स साबित किया, इस डिमांड को साबित कर रहा है नीति आयोग का रिपोर्ट. एंड द सेकेंड सेंटेंस आई हैड यूज्ड इन एज KP ओली became the prime minister of Nepal. So Mallikarjun Kharge wrote on the Twitter, wrote on the X, formerly known as Twitter, on in the behalf of Indian National Congress, we extends our best wishes to Sri KP Sharma Oli on appointment as Prime Minister of Nepal. So I had used the word in the behalf. And there was a people to people kinship and culture. Kinship means sister, as a rishtedari, as India and Nepal both have a common culture and there is a social equality and fraternity between peoples of Nepal and India. So देयर इज ए किनशिप बिटवीन देम. सो यहाँ रिश्तेदारी है भारत और नेपाल के लोगों के बीच में. एज द लॉर्ड राम फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड माता सीता बिलोंग्स टू फ्रॉम नेपाल, सो देयर इज ए किनशिप बिटवीन पीपल्स. सो टुडे yesterday I had used the word vindicate, kinship in the behalf, and today I had used the word pursue, fraternity and agonizing. Agonizing means बहुत ही चिंतित रहना. ओके, थैंक यू.